Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Our good name is Gary Tech Interior. So here we have this amazing 4-bedroom that you see over here. It has 4 bedroom, of which 2 bedroom are ensuite, and then the other 2 bedroom are not ensuite. It has a dining, a kitchen, and a sitting room. It has 2 balcony, of which is this one is the front porch, and the other one there that you see over there, that is the rear porch. And then so I will let you inside, and then you see the so far how the continuation of this site is. So be let like 3 days we had I posted this video. We had not done, like, let's say there's a TV stand installation that we have done inside, and then wardrobes, and then plumbing work that we have done inside. So I will let you, and then I show you how we have installed this. So like you see here, we have this entrance molding work that we have done over here, that you can see there are 2, and then there are even 2 at the middle, and then there are another 2 at the end. And then you have this amazing entrance that you have done here, the entrance for this. Like you can see this tiling system that we have installed here. They has 2 steps that you can see. It's quite like you can see, it's quite attractive, like over here. Even though here we are still negotiating if we'll put here a tiles or a paint. So there's a negotiation that we are still ongoing. So we are just discussing on how either we'll put here tiles, or we'll just go with just only paint work that will be over here. So like you can see, this is the paint. Like you can see, we have done a wall master at the up of there. So, and then this is the bit entrance towards our this amazing 4 bedroom. Like you can see, this is the corridor, the rear porch. Like you can see, the front porch of this house. And then here we have this a beautiful door that you can see here. It is an imported one. Like you can see, always you know that the advantage of using this one is at least quite much secure, more than the other doors that we always use. And then over here there's a window for our first bedroom. And then like you can see our tiling system that you can see over there. And then here at each and every end of this house, we have this provided like this design molding work that you see over here, so as to have that an authentic, so it has like, let's say, attractive for this. And then like you can see, there's a difference between these tiles and then this one. So this one is quite much, at least much brighter than this one. So the owner decided to have this that difference. So I will let you towards this inside this. So this is the corridor. This is the corridor that you see over here. Like you can see, we have not yet done our interior electrically designing, but we are on still process of installing it. And then here we have this amazing sitting room that is over here. Like you can see, it has 2 windows, of which they are quite much bigger. And then we have already done our molding, our installation of our sliding windows over there, like you can see, even over there. And then here we have installed our TV stand, of which is a modern one, like you can see here, over there. And then this is the mirror that will be installed on our wardrobes that I will introduce to you on the video, like as we proceed. So like you can see here, we have these panels that we have over here, and then we have this PVC marble that that our TV will be installed over here. And then we have a provision for a socket that you see over here. And then here will be our aerial, and then here will be our internet, that will be a provision for internet that will be over here. And then here we have provided, like you can see, we have installed this the area for that. If maybe you have, like let's say if you have like some flowers, you can come and put them. You can just come and arrange them here, over here, and then up to the upper we'll come and then install there a light that will be reflecting from that upward until downwards over here. And then this is the base, and then there's a, okay, I will let you show you later. There's a, like you can see here, this is a provision for that a firework. I think you know that is that beautiful, there's a name that is called there, that will become, and then install it over there. So I will let you towards this dining, of which you can see it's quite accommodative, it's quite much big, like you can see. We have not yet done electrical work, but we'll done it later. I will show you after we have done. So this is the beautiful serving window that communicates towards our kitchen over here, guys. And then this is the dining. So I will let you towards this first bedroom, and then later. So, but of which on this first bedroom there's a someone inside, so I will not have that coverage, but it's same size with this. So this is the second bedroom. Like you can see, we have done everything. It's only electrical part that is still remaining. Like you can see, we have done our wardrobes. Like you can see, they are running from this downward, going up to that end, like you can see over there. So it's quite much big, and then it's quite, you can, it has a storage capacity of your all, maybe let's say your clothes, your shoes, your suits. There's enough provision for it, like you can see over here. And then at this middle part, maybe you have like, let's say like documents. You can come and then install it over here. So you have already provided you at least a provision for your documents. So guys, this is the second bedroom, of which we have done, like you can see here, this is the part for the strapping, and then a double socket as always over here. And then there's a provision for air condition that you see over here, of which will come and then install it later at the end of after we have finished doing this electrical part. So I will let you towards this first bedroom, of which is the first master bedroom, guys. Like you can see, it's quite big, and then like you can see, our windows are quite much big enough, like you can see over there. And then our interior part, like you can see over there, those the ceiling design, gypsum ceiling design that we went with. And then here we have done our, this is the part for our, let's say the drawers. Like you can see over here, it's quite big. This is the biggest wardrobe for this entire project, of which it will be used with the owner of this house, of which this is the master bedroom. So guys, like you can see, at the upper part we have just provided there some other storage capacity. You can use them for maybe the things that you don't frequently use. You can come then put it over there. And then here, like you can see, then here we'll come install our mirror, our dressing mirror that will be over there at later of the end of the day. And then here we'll come to this. This is the dressing room. Like you can see, it's not much bigger, but and then this is the toilet. Like you can see over here, this is the toilet. Like you can see, this is the, let's say this is the hand basin that will be used for this master bedroom. And then, like you can see, it has a partition that is over here. And then this is the toilet for this master bedroom. And then this is the Arabic shower for the this owner of this house will be using. And then here, this is the shower. Like you can see, this is the shower that will be used on this entire for the owner of this house. And then here we have provided provision for maybe like electrical part if it will be needed, like warm water. This is now we have provided a provision for electrical part there. So I will lead you towards the other bedroom, but even this one is just ensuite. Like you can see, this is the ensuite. It's also ensuite, but so here, this is the drawers, the wardrobe for this side. Like you can see, for this second master bedroom, and then its toilet is over here. Like you can see, this is the toilet, and then the tiles that you can see, it's quite much giving, even on the wall, like it's of same design like the other one for the master. And then here, this will be our, let's say this will be our, the one for shower, and then this is the pointing for put it on or off. And then here we have our hand basin, and then here this toilet we are assuming that will be used for the children, for the owner of this house. So like you can see, we have just provided here at least a small toilet that will be used with the at least maybe like a child of like, let's say from 2 years to 5 years, he'll be using this. And then if maybe it's just quite big of age, from the upper age, he will be using this big toilet. So we have installed here two toilets, like you can see over there. So I will lead you towards the kitchen, and then I show you how we have done it. So this is the kitchen, guys. We have done our carpet, our installation for our how do you call it, for the lower cabinet and the upper cabinet. If you can see, this is the upper cabinet, so they're running all the way up to here. And then here is this provision for our microwave, and then this other one was for oven. Like we have already provided it much earlier, like over there. And then there's this drawers that we have installed it here. Like you can see, there are 3, guys, and then there's another one at the end over there. And then on the lower level, like you can see, we have installed it, this one, like you can see over there. And then we have just done our this is the granite that we have installed it over at the upper part for this. So the granite, there were 2. So the one was running from here and then up to here, and then the second one was was used on this part. And then here, this space left here, it will be used for our cooker. So the cooker will come, and then will be installed it over here. And then is the provision for the cooker, and then that pipe that you see over here, that will come and then be the provision for for this microwave and the other oven. So, and then there's a double socket that we have done over here, and then here it's our sink. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, and I will appreciate you so much. So let's meet on the next video.